All right, good morning everybody. We're going to get started over here moving some clay this morning. Robert's going to set up the laser. So eventually they're going to end up lowering the well down, just cut the casing down so it's not sticking up. But we're going to start cutting right here. We're kind of using that as a benchmark. I think we're going to go 3 feet lower than that well, which this was the high point out here, so we'll end up cutting about 4 feet off. So we're going to check that with the laser and see if I need to do maybe 2.5, maybe 3, or whatever works, instead of cutting it down so much, to see if we can make it work out down there a little bit better. So we'll see what happens. But we'll get the 350 going in the dump truck. I gotta lay that dirt back a little bit so we can get through there with the dump truck a little bit better and start hauling it down there and putting in some lifts and getting it rolled in. Let's wear some rust off the bucket. All right, so we got the gas line over there located. So now it's a little safer to finish cutting that topsoil out over there. I'm gonna lay this back with the excavator to give us a little more room to be able to drive the haul truck through here, because I can't go over right there where the water line is. I'll end up breaking it. Then I'm gonna go down there and notch out one little area, just to kind of give us a nice straight edge on where to start filling at. And I just noticed it, which normally I don't haul this thing with a bucket on it, but last couple times it got moved, had the bucket on it, and they've put a dent in the bottom of the boom there with a bucket tooth, because that bucket's so long. Which, not really hurting anything, it's just I was trying not to put a dent in the boom from the bucket tooth. Feels good to be moving dirt again. We have done a lot of clearing. While I don't mind doing clearing, after a while it does get a little old. So just breaks it up. Old Barney's gonna get a workout today too. Start cutting all that down about 3 feet. I'll get my grade control working in here, and we'll just move dirt. So that pad right there is going to be like a giant garden area, so I'm saving all this topsoil to cap it. We'll probably put a foot of topsoil over top of it to cap everything with it. So we got to get our clay put in there to the right elevation. Actually, we need to be a foot lower with the clay, so that I can put topsoil down over top of it. go down there and lay that material back a little bit more, and then we'll go ahead and start loading clay out and hauling it down there. Alright, let's load clay out. Been making a cut here, getting down to our grade and loading it into Barney. Backing down there and dumping it out. We've already hauled 6 loads so far. So I'm going to work this cut out, keep working way on back with it. Then we'll jump on the dozer and the compactor and get all that rolled in. Some hard dirt. But once again, I'm trying to make a 3-foot cut, 3 to 4 foot cut with a big machine, so it's a little bit cumbersome, but not too bad. Here to kind of keep me on track. Then while he's gone, I just kind of sit here and kind of fine grade it. The sun's on the screen, so it's a little bit hard to see. Sit here and carry my grade. As long as it's right there on 0, we're good to go. Got a wet spot forming right there, a little bit soft. But making good progress here, getting this cut out. And the dirt moved down the hill. have that grade control, I can see I need to go down about 3 or 4 more inches. So I just kind of sit there and pull that grade. sure everything's staying in line. All right, so we've got 10 loads down there in that low section. Got the old compactor here. Well, I shouldn't say old, the new one. She's a beast. Look at her compared to a little car. Get down here and pack this lift in. Was it the red one? Yep, it's the red one. I done forgot. We haven't used this thing in a couple months. Why did it go down? Oh, I got it in economy mode. We need power for packing. Push, Robert. Pack the dirt. Somebody needs to clean the windows in this thing. God. My mirror. I can't see. Now I can see. Somewhat. I love this thing. It gets compaction so much better. And it's about twice as wide. It really does a good job. Let's see, we need to dial our speed down a little bit. We're giving her too many miles per hour. Now we need more. Now we're giving her not enough. This clay is pretty sticky though, so this drum's gonna get packed full, I do believe, but we'll run over it a couple times, get it packed in, and keep dumping more dirt. Well, we are back from lunch and moving more dirt. As you can see, we're making our way down the hill here now. Which this area right here is pretty flat, so it's going to average about a 4-foot cut. We've already stripped a fair amount of topsoil off, that way it doesn't look like it's only about 3 feet. But looks are deceiving. Get this material cut out, hauled down there. Looks like we'll need, I don't know, 6 or 8 more. We'll go ahead and spread that out, roll it in, and then I'm probably going to start another cut up there because the extra dirt, we may haul it over there into the field where that big low area is, and it's a lot closer to move this down here and then keep this dirt over there. So just trying to move the dirt that's close by where it needs to go, and the dirt that's farther away closer to where it needs to go. Control is working really good on the excavator as long as I zero it out every time I move. We checked it with the laser and I was within about 1.5 inches of where I needed to be, so that's pretty good for kind of hogging it out with a big excavator like this. You can see on the screen I am around 4/10 high, so I'll just kind of cut that down a little bit more. That's normally what I do while he goes and dumps, is just kind of get that cut out to grade. That way I'm not wasting time while loading the truck. And then get the next little area cut out, get a big scoop, and I'll finish it up with that material right there. Yeah, that's a pretty good cut right there. He's down there spreading that out. I'll go down there and roll that in. I'm gonna check this with the laser and kind of see where that stands, but it's looking pretty level. Might actually be a touch high right there. Might have to cut down a little bit more, but all in all, it's coming along good. Gonna have a lot of dirt. All right, this is shaping up good. I'm gonna jump on the roller, go ahead and pack that in. Robert's spreading that last little bit of clay out right there. Still needs to come up about 2 feet right in here and about a foot down there. Then we'll end up capping it with a foot of topsoil to grow everything, and that'll leave a foot of fall from the well to down here for some drainage on that. Let's pack some dirt in. Packing it in. Last load of the day. Give us time to get that spread out, rolled in, and get packed up and get out of here. We gotta fuel this thing up, fill it up with DEF fluid. That's it. Made good progress today. We got a lot of dirt cut out of here and hauled back there. Well, that is a wrap for today. That was right at almost 80 loads, 78 loads we hauled. Got this hauled down here, leveled out. I think 4 lifts is what we put in. So we're about 4 feet down there. He's gonna blade over that little bit that I cut out, and we're gonna call it a day. We'll be back next week. We gotta go fix a logging road for this customer as well. They're logging a big tract of land that he has, and there's some soft spots in the road that need to be fixed. So we're gonna go do that Monday, Tuesday, and then we'll be back out here the rest of the week to move more dirt.